In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an interactive form field in Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean input that comes to life with a blinking cursor and smooth, clickable states. Perfect for realistic prototypes. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can build the interaction in context. If you don't already have a canvas frame, create one. Prototypes behave more predictably when everything sits inside a frame. Now set up a simple input UI. Draw your field container with a subtle stroke, add a label above or inside the field, and place placeholder text where typing would begin. Keep spacing consistent, a little left padding for the text, and align everything to your grid or layout guides for a tidy finish. Next, let's create the animated cursor. We're going to simulate a blinking caret with a tiny line and variance. Draw a thin vertical line about the height of your input text. Position doesn't matter yet, we'll place it later. With the line selected, convert it into a component so we can add behavior. Add a variant to create a two-state component. In the second variant, make the line invisible. Either set its opacity to 0 or remove the stroke. So we have a visible state and a hidden state. Switch to the Prototype tab for the cursor component. Connect variant 1 to variant 2 with an after delay of around 600 milliseconds using Smart Animate or Instant. Either works for a blink, then connect variant 2 back to variant 1 with the same settings. This loop gives you a natural, continuous blink without any clicks. If the blink feels too fast or too slow, you can nudge the delay until it matches your design's tone. Now bring an instance of that cursor component into the input field. Align it to the text baseline and tuck it just inside the left padding so it feels like a real caret. Group the cursor with the input content so everything moves together. The blink will already run in preview because it's driven by after delay, so no extra trigger is required. After your cursor is in place, make two versions of the input, a resting state and a focused state. Group each version cleanly, keeping naming consistent. Convert these groups into a component set so they become variants of the same component. Think default and focused. Prototype the variants by connecting default to focused on click. Using Smart Animate for a smooth change. Connect. Focused back to default with another click or tap so you can toggle between states during testing. Finally, open Present to preview the result. Click the field to see it focus while the caret blinks, then click again to return to the resting state. Tweak spacing, timing, or colors until the interaction feels effortless. Congratulations, you've built an interactive form field entirely in Figma.